Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is summer, so I thought it would be fun to do a slime video because everyone loves slime, except for the slime haters. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. And before you watch this video, before you start making your slime, make sure you have all the ingredients, which I will be showing you right now. Without further ado, let's get started. Stuff we need. So we need some glue, a clear bowl, something to mix it with, a color if you want, a box, some borax, which I don't have right now, some scents if you want it, and color if you want it, and shaving cream. So if you don't have scents or color, that's fine, but if you don't have any of those other things, that is not good. But for the borax, what you need is you just have water and then pour the borax in and let it sit until the borax has dissolved. That's your slime activator, but I already made some right here, so that's why I don't have it, but this is what you make that in, and then you can pour it in. Well, yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So, first, you need to take your clear bowl and pour your glue in it. So I'm sure this glue, the rest of my glue, would be enough. So I'm go ahead and take off the cap. Pour it all in there. Clear glue or regular glue is fine. Doesn't really matter what glue. Not like wood glue or hot glue or anything. Just like clear glue or regular glue is fine. Just get this all out. Okay, that's good. Duh. Glue on me. Okay, so then you can use shaving cream, and then this shaving cream isn't actually like the puffy stuff, but if you mix it around, it gets puffy, so that's what I'm gonna do. So if you see here, it's pink and stuff, but when I mix it around, it gets puffy. If you have stuff like that, that is good too. Also, I'm making pink slime, so it's good for this. It's starting to look good. You just want to mix it a little bit. And then right now is the time to add your borax activator. So you can just make that and then pour it in a little bit. And then also now you want to add the color. So and then I'm going to add some scents. Okay, and then you're just going to want to mix it around. And watch as the color turns into the color, whatever you want to call that. You want to keep mixing it. It might be a little hard, but you can ask a parent for help if you want, if it's too hard for you. Just want to keep mixing it. Make sure you get all the white parts. There shouldn't be any more white parts unless you want white slime. And remember, if it gets sticky, I think I'm gonna have to add more. You have to add more borax activator. Basically slime activator, so if you have slime activator, that works too. You just want to keep mixing. And make sure you add your colors or scents before you start mixing it. If you do it afterwards, that's not going to turn out well. I think I'm going to add just a bit more borax solution. Then pretty soon it's going to be time to knead. Just basically, this is hard, playing with it, but you need to Okay, I think it's time to knead, so you can put whatever you're using to mix away. And then you're gonna want to, oh my gosh, this is sticky. It's very sticky. Okay, this is super sticky. We're gonna need more borax. Oh my gosh, my hair is so dirty. That's part of the... Just want to keep mixing. Okay, now this feels ready. So you just want to keep playing with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss a video. I stopped it because I didn't think you wanted to see me kneading it a bunch. But yeah, make sure you just keep kneading it, and make sure you keep it in a container. If you don't, it's going to dry out. I once put it on there, but I put the cap on, but it wasn't fully closed, so it dried out. If that happens to you, go check out my other video of how to fix your slime when it's dried out. And thank you so much for watching, and here is a clip of me playing with my new slime. It was actually pretty good. I mean, like, it's fluffy. I mean, the fluffiness doesn't stay long. If you want it to be super fluffy, just put in a lot of shaving cream, or not a lot, just more than you did glue. I think these slimes are really good for, like, they're sticky, and not as in like they stick in your hands. They're sticky, and you can like stretch them a lot. So yeah, and they're fluffy like for the first day or two. But like after that, it doesn't get as fluffy, as you know, well, as some of you know. But yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. By the way, this slime is so good.